Just keeping the galaxy safe. Don't worry, Speedy. No quake is too big for my fault-filling lantern ray, anti-flambe ray, rain, go array. Being an intergalactic superhero is exhausting.
You can say that again, Lanterman.
If only there were a way to teach the galaxy to prepare for danger before it happens.
Wait a minute. Do you hear that? No alerts, no emergencies.
Do we get the afternoon off?
Great galaxies. That means I can watch my favorite game show. Wheel of Jeopardy! Wanna watch with me?
Actually, you've just given me an idea. Wheel of Jeopardy is the most popular game show in the galaxy. What better way to reach billions and teach them about emergency preparedness? Let's go! To Saturn, then the...
Lanterman, wait! Earth is a Class 5 planet. You'll need to blend in.
Roger that. Activate disguise ray.
Welcome to Wheel of Jeopardy! With your host, Pat Playbak.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wow, he's even better looking in person.
Let's meet our contestants. We've got the Sunnytown All-Stars, Vinny, Dexter, Maya, Lorenzo, and Steven. Facing off against the sensational Sundays, Baskin Robbins, Pierre, Mr. Kruger, Betsy, and... Janet? Okay. Welcome all. Today's theme is... Emergency Preparedness. Give her a spin. Extreme heat. First question. Name 4 things that help with extreme heat. Maya?
Being hydrated, staying cool indoors, wearing light clothing, and avoiding strenuous activity.
You are correct! Give her a spin. 911. Which one of these situations is a 911 emergency? A. You see a stranger walking their dog on the sidewalk outside your house. B. A person is collapsed and is unconscious. Or C. You discover no green M&Ms in your dressing room. Baskin Robbins?
Although a travesty, no green M&Ms is not an emergency. My answer is B. A person has collapsed and is unconscious. Final answer.
Correct! The competition's heating up. Which team will win? Where should you keep household chemicals?
In a dry, safe place, man.
What is the recommended type of radio you need in an emergency kit?
I got this. FM radio.
Oh, so close. We were looking for hand cranked or battery operated. Hand cranked or battery operated. What do you do when you are lost?
Stay put and tell someone you're lost.
What are 2 things you need in case of a power outage? Oh, so sorry. We were looking for flashlights and extra batteries. Flashlights and extra batteries. That sound means we are at our final question. We've got a tiebreaker, folks. The question is, what is the most important thing to remember in an emergency? Steven.
To be prepared.
Correct! The winners are the Sunnytown All-Stars.
Woohoo! All right!
Tell them what they've won.
You've won your very own Wheel of Jeopardy home game and a go bag.
Another successful mission. Thanks to you, viewers learned how to stay cool in extreme heat, the differences between real 911 emergencies and not so real emergencies, where to store household chemicals, what to do if you get lost, the importance of having flashlights and extra batteries, and of course, to be prepared.
Remember, good citizens, prepare today for a safe tomorrow. And if you need any support, contact your regional center. To Saturn, then the stars!